Hey guys, super excited. Good morning. How are you doing? You're welcome to this week outlook. My name is Mayowa Owolabi. I'm really excited about the new week. And I took time to study what the possibilities in the market. And I said to myself that I'm going to start by educating you guys today, because one of the things I see a lot of people do, which is why there's too much of trade per week, is because you fail to identify a trend, and you fail to classify a counter trend. When you have a trend and you have a counter trend, you will rather put your money here 10 times than to put your money here once. Now, research says that, backtesting says that counter trend pays more than trend. However, you want to understand that you will risk more here before you are right. But here, you have over 70 to 90% level of guarantee that the trade will go. So instead of putting your money here in the counter trend, why not stick to the trend? Then, when you want to go on counter trend, you reduce your what? You reduce your position or reduce your risk entry. So having established that, I've picked out a few trades that I'm looking at, starting from monthly, and the first one is AUD Chef. AUD Chef has been very, has been trying to come out back into the reversal zone after breaking this trend line on monthly. And that means that all we need to do is to keep buying till we get back to the top. Now, one of the things that you guys need to understand also is the fact that we are in the lower curve of the market. And the lower curve, which this is your high and this is your low, this is the lower curve of the market, which is where you should be buying and not selling. Which is where you should be buying and not selling. So having established that from monthly time frame, then you can go to daily. So when you come to daily chart, you will see that the market has been creating higher lows, higher high, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay, and we have another higher high, higher low, higher high. So right now, our goal is to keep buying till the market gets to where we want. So having established that on daily, we've identified this rally-based rally, which is our zone, a place to buy. So from there, I went to 30 minutes. So on 30 minutes chart, I was able to identify the change of trend, and we have a breakout already. So this week, one of the trades that I am looking out for is AUD Chef, because I'll be expecting the market to return back into this zone, okay, during the Chef session, which is London session, or during the Tokyo session. Oh, sorry, during the Asia session, which is AUD session. Now, I haven't done that. I can go on 5 minutes or 3 minutes to pick my entry on this zone. But right now, this is what I'm looking out for. So I'm looking out for AUD Chef to push up more for a continuation as we head up to the reversal, enjoying continuation right now. So this trade will also be posted on the Telegram group. And if you are not on Telegram group, make sure you click on the link below so that you can be on the Telegram group. So you can do a set and forget here. following your own entry strategy, or you trade the way we trade in ITC, we still go to lower time frame to be able to reduce our risk exposure share. So having established that, I would not want to repeat that for others, repeat that explanation for others. Okay, so I'm also seeing the same behavior on USD chef. So USD chef has USD chef USD chef has a monthly demand. Has the same thing on weekly zone. Okay, and we have equal high here, which is liquidity. Okay, we also have a rally-based rally in here, which became so clear on daily time frame. So having established that on daily time frame, we'll go to 30 minutes or 1 hour, and we will be waiting for the market also to retrace back into this zone for us to buy. So here we go to 5 minutes and we'll get our 3 pips or 5 pips stop loss and we can kill it. So this is the second trade we are looking out for this week. Okay. The last but not the least, which I'm going to be sharing with you, we have about 7 trades we are looking at this week already. I'm sharing 3 with you guys. When you go to monthly time frame, and this is the only place we take reversal in our community. I've dropped this earlier on our YouTube channel, that we have a reversal zone here that Chef JPY is really hungry to wait for. And this is about 5,000 pips between now and the end of this year. So if you follow that, you will see that we are still waiting for confirmation. We have to always see confirmation, because when there's no confirmation, it means that the market is not ready. Okay, so we have a rally-based rally here, a rally-based rally here, which is a demand zone. Okay, and we had this push back to the top. So we need to see a low removed here. We are yet to see it, guys. We are yet to see it, and until we see it, we will not be able to sell this trade. Will it happen this week? Not sure. Does it have the potential to happen this week? 90% guarantee that it can happen this week, because it has done all the needful. Okay, it has done all the needful. So we need to see the market as it has gone up, come back for that, then wait for that reversal, find our entry on 5 minutes or 15 minutes, then we hold our trade for as long as we can. So it's very important that we trade what we see and not what we want. What we want is to trade. What we see is that the trade is not ready. So you have to be patient. So that's the 3 trades I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. And I feel that you guys can make sure you pick your trades on higher time frame. As I do emphasize, I know you want to really trade and make money, but guys, you want to really be patient to trade your condition, and we are good to go. Okay, if you have followed my last week class, you realize that I told you guys about this buy on Euro GB here. So the market had a change of trend here, and it came back here and shot up. Right now is in that sell zone that I spoke to you guys about. If you follow the last week upper week trend, and you see, you can't change the market if it's not ready. You just have to do what is ready to do. So for me, I'm still expecting this guy to come back into this place, which is a counter trend, but we have all the reversal confirmed. So we have to wait for confirmation when it comes into this place. When it comes into this place, then we can buy up to the monthly demand, monthly supply, and we are good to go. So guys, always stick to your rules. I know you guys want to make money, but it's better you're patient with the process so that you can make an amazing, cool money for yourself. Happy New Week, guys. I look forward to your success. See you guys in the next episode. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. Keep learning, keep trading, keep winning. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.